Visure Requirements Tool, Complex Project Workflow, brought to you by Phaedrus Systems.
Welcome to this video tutorial. We will see how to deal with project complexity by defining approval and review workflows. Visure Requirements allows enforcing workflows and life cycles graphically and ensure users are following the defined process. This is done by means of workflows. Project managers will be able to define as many workflows as needed for the different element types in the project. Let's take a look at the requirement status workflow. In this diagram, we will be able to represent the different statuses our workflow can take, like approved, rejected, on hold, but also we can represent the different transitions between those states. For any given transition, we can just double-click and identify the different user groups capable of performing that transition. For each one of them, we can even associate a script that will be executed when performing that transition. So, let's find out how end users interact with the defined workflows. Let's switch to user requirement specification. In this example, this requirement is in ready for review state, and according to our workflow, we will only be able to transition into a reviewed or more information needed state, whereas in a reviewed state, we will have a completely different set of statuses available. However, Visure Requirements allows us to work with these workflows and other attributes in general in a completely different way. Let's switch to an attribute classification view. In this view, we will be able to find out the number of elements that take each one of the workflow values. Apart from that, we will also be able to classify elements by a second criterion, for instance priority, and find out ready for review elements in high, medium, or low status. This is not a read-only view. Therefore, we will be able to modify and transition elements directly from the grid view. We'll even be able to select several elements and modify their attributes en bloc by selecting Edit Common Attributes. So whether it is the workflow or any of the other attributes they're taken, we will be able to modify them all at once from this way.